Got him.
Thunder. Remember, we're gonna have to do a weird order, so it's gonna be Steve, me, and Sam.
It's under Ryan.
No, Sam. Okay, never mind. It works. Additional, luckily.
Chris. Ari, Peggy, switch. Help out. Help out. Peggy, just help out on the tank from here on out.
Hey, good job.
Yep. We
Once
heroed.
you get it, it's pretty easy.
Berserk was in 30 seconds.